Hey there, it's Heather, your certified high performance coach. I help people to design a life of clarity, of joy, of fulfillment. I help them to build the holistic high performance habits that they need so that they too can be a high performer. I know that sometimes you just need a little pick me up. You gotta hit that refresh button so that you can feel all sparkly and shiny and new again. Because life is just going on around you and it's got you feeling drained and tired, lacking energy, and feeling like your to-do list is getting bigger and your energy supply is getting shorter. That was me last week, feeling like I was just on the hamster wheel, just couldn't get off of it. And I had to dig into my own bag of high performance habits so that I could give myself that recharge that I needed so that I could feel renewed and refreshed again. So here's the deal. I've got an opportunity for a free virtual workshop. It's called Recharge, Refocus, Renew, and it's coming up. To register, you can either go to my website at wellnessrecreation360.com, or you can just click on the registration link in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember to do something that helps to recharge your energy, and I'll see you at the workshop.